Hey guys, Braden Hedspeth here with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we have a new trade. It's a 2018 25 coach Tri-Toon. Does come with this spectacular trailer. Great shape overall. This boat only has 80 hours. Easy access to get on board, backing in the trailer. Let's step aboard and see what we got. All right guys, here we are aboard this 2018 25 coach. As you can see, this has the upgraded diamond stitch seating, wraparound bench, forward and aft. This has a kick butt stereo system. You got a 12-inch subwoofer there, upgraded all the way around. Rockford Fosgate head unit, as well as a Simrad Go 7 for your navigation. Whatever it is you guys like to do, this boat's got it. You got easy access from the front of the boat to the side of the boat, as well as the rear. You can see here, great option having a Tri-Toon. You've got all that space in the middle tune for storage, bow table. As we walk to the back, you can see this boat does come with a nice bimini. You're gonna have plenty of shade for your days out at the island. Nice swim platform back here. Easy access with your boarding ladder. If skiing is your thing, this boat is gonna be great. It's got a 250 Honda 4-stroke, your ski pylon. Guys, you gotta come check out this boat. Again, Braden Hedspeth, MarineMax, Panama City Beach.